Hey, welcome back to Dollar Tree must-haves. All right, so the first thing is going to be containers. These are cool, but I was looking for a different container, which I'm having a hard time finding, and it's these veggie storage containers. So you can put your fruits and your vegetables in them and keep them fresh. Then we have the trivets. Well, they're not trivets. They're called pot holders, but you can use them as a trivet. And then these are my go-to favorite for stacking your pots and not scratching them and messing them up. You'll get a set of 3. These are glasses. I don't think I saw them before when I saw the whole other set with this print, but you can get a whole dish set and glasses. This I thought was a nice, modern, clean shape. I only saw the one size. I don't know if they have other sizes, but I like that one for storage. And then these, I like the texture in these. You could even color these a different color to go with your own decor for $1.25. Not bad. These, everybody is loving these stacking pot holders, so you can get them in different colors and you can stack them up. These I don't know what they're for, but I think they'll be cute to do a Christmas thing. Then I saw the mats again in different colors, which I loved.